we will need to take out this small speaker side from the top. We'll use a clip remover tool like this to pull it outwards. There you see the complete cover is pulled out. Notice there is one speaker right there and we need to take out the plug for that. The best way to take it out is just grab the speaker and pull it outwards completely. Speaker is pulled out. We'll keep the cover aside. Then notice there is that plug right there. We will need to press and hold this tab of the plug right there and then pull the plug outwards. There it is, it's taken out. So again, just to show you guys, this is that tab that we have to press and hold and then pull the plug outwards. And we also got the speaker taken out like that. Now we'll take out the plug for the side mirror. First, we'll need to pull out the plug from that spot right there. Once the plug is pulled out, now we'll need to press and hold that tab of the plug right there and then pull the plug outwards. To press the tab here, I'm using a plastic trim remover tool and then pulling out the plug from the other end. There it is, we got the plug taken out. Once the plug is taken out, now we will be needing an 8mm socket to take out the screws of the side mirror itself. And you would notice there are 3 screws right here. One screw right here, second screw right there, third screw on top. This screw right there is in a little difficult position. You will not be able to punch in the socket because the door panel is holding on to that position. So what we'll be doing instead is using a 10mm wrench like this. We'll punch in the wrench just like that and then take out that screw. Here I'm trying to loose the screw with the wrench first. Once the screw is loose, then I will just manually take it out with fingers. While taking it out, just make sure you do not lose the screw, because if it ends up going into the door panel, then you would have to take out the door panel to take that screw outwards. There it is, we got the first screw taken out. Now we'll take out the other screws. They are easy, you can just use an impact gun to take them out. Second screw is out. Before taking out the final screw, we'll just hold on to the side mirror from the other end, and while holding on to the side mirror like that, we'll go ahead and take out the final screw from the top. Third screw is also out. Once all the screws are out, now we will gently pull out the side mirror just like that, and that is how we take out the side mirror for this door. Now my side mirror is good, so I'll be punching it back, but in your case, if you have a new side mirror and you want to install it back, we'll just have to reverse the steps. Just punch in the side mirror back, making sure it is completely in. There's the mirror completely in. Just make sure that this plastic cover and the other plastic cover, both of them should come out completely. And once the side mirror is in place, then we'll go ahead and punch in the first screw. We are not going to tighten the screw, just punching in to hold on to the side mirror. Punching in the second screw as well. And also carefully punching in the third screw. We'll tighten the first screw on top. Just make sure you do not over tighten the screw. This much seems fine. We'll go ahead and tighten the second screw. That's also good. For the final screw, we will make sure to tighten manually as much as we can. Once you notice a point it's not going further with your fingers, then we will bring in our special tool. This much seems fine and all the 3 screws are tight enough. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this plug. Make sure the tab side of the plug, which is right here, it goes towards the tab side of the other side plug. Plug is completely in, also not coming out. Now we'll have to place the complete plug where we took it out from earlier. There it goes completely in, just like that. Now we'll get this speaker and install the plug. Just make sure the tab side of the plug is at the top. The plug is completely in. Now we punch in the speaker inside that cover. While installing the speaker, just make sure this tab side is actually going towards the third clip right there. Once the speaker is in, now it's time to punch in the complete cover. Notice one more thing, there is actually a plastic cover coming out right here, and this plastic cover is supposed to go in that spot right there. We'll carefully punch in the cover, keeping in mind that position. And there it is, the cover is completely in. With that, we are done with the replacement of side mirror for this door. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.